Let's practice trading daily MACD divergence signals on the stock of Campbell Soup Company. On November 29, 2022, a bear divergence formed in an uptrend. This is a strong sell signal. There is a first light bar on the histogram. Do you think the price will fall? The price rise to a new high. A new high. A new high. There is a blue bar on an elder impulse system on the weekly interval. The price rise to a new high. Switch to a green bar. A new high. A new high. The price rise to a new high. The price rise to a new high. A blue bar. Switch to a green bar. The price rise to a new high. A blue bar. The price has reached a point below the value zone. Fast EMA crossed slow EMA. MACD histogram crossed the zero line. 11.4% target reached.